Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Audi A4 Avant. This is the S-Line Black Edition, 2 litre TDI, 7-speed automatic. The car was first registered 25th of September 2019 on a 69 registration. Just the one owner from new. The car's finished in Daytona Grey metallic, benefiting from a full Audi service history comprising 3 long life services, the last one of which was done 23rd of August 2022 at 57,200 miles. Next oil service is due in 17,800 miles or 663 days. MOT is valid through until the 3rd of October 2023 with no advisories. Car benefits from an excellent set of tyres, premium brand Michelin's on the front on 6.3mm of tread, Michelin rear on 5.3 and Rapid on the offside rear at 4mm of tread. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine producing 190 brake horsepower, manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 47.9 to the gallon, and the car is compliant with the ultra low emission zones. As with the exterior of this A4, likewise the interior is in good condition for its age and mileage. It features the half leather and Alcantara suede interior with Isofix location points to both outer rear seats. Front seats are heated. Both front seats have electric lumbar adjustment. Has LED lights, automatic all-weather function, automatic windscreen wipers. It's got the privacy and acoustic glazing, technology pack, sports suspension, voice control, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay with Android Auto, front and rear parking sensors, electric windows all round with electric folding heated wing mirrors. This A4 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It's motor check clear, so there is no outstanding finance. The vehicle has not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. It will be supplied with a full set of tailored carpet mats, full book pack is present, locking wheel bolt, tonneau covers present in the boot, and the car has 1 remote control key. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange form. There's a vehicle reservation facility, as well as interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.